Hello, welcome to Sokliv Kitchen. Today I will show you how to make hamburger bread. So here all our ingredients we have. I have 3 cup bread flour. I have 3 teaspoon active dry yeast. This one. And 2 tablespoon sugar. Half teaspoon salt. 2-ounce unsalted butter, 2 eggs, and half cup plus 4 tablespoon water, and 2 tablespoon sesame seed, 1 teaspoon oil, and for the baking I use this one and then just spray it. This one to spray, or you can use oil. First, I'm gonna add the yeast to the water, and then sugar, okay, and bread flour, egg, and butter. The butter you need to warm in the microwave 30 seconds. And salt and oil. The sesame seed we gonna put after when we baking the bread. Okay. And then the yeast sesame. Have the extra flour. It's the flour is too wet, you can add, but it's too dry, don't need to. But it's too dry, you can add a little water. Too wet, you can add flour. You have to doing this like 10 minutes, but if you have machine knife, I will put 35. My dough is very now I have the extra flour. Now I'm gonna make the hamburger bread. Okay, and this one for my pan for baking. I spray on. You don't have spray, you can use oil. And this scale, if you want a bread look the same, you can scale it. Okay, now I'm gonna cut. Gonna make a hamburger bread. Not for sale, just for eat. Just keep doing this. I just do like that. It's easy. Just keep doing. Or you can make a round like this. You can do a. Then I'm gonna spray with water. Then I add the sesame seed. Put this one, maybe I put 40 minutes. Okay, now my bread is ready. Okay, now I can bake my hamburger bread. You need to warm like 5 minutes before you put in. I already warm 5 minutes, and I gonna use like 15 minutes, but you're gonna check it like 6 minutes. Come check it. Then my oven I use 450. then 5 minutes, 6 minutes, I can't check. I move back to the 400. Okay, here is my hamburger bread. See, a little bit burn. Like I say, you have to check it out. This one I put 15 minutes, a little bit burn on the bottom. Okay, here is my hamburger bread.